Hello, I'm Lance with Hustler Equipment, and today we're going to show you how to rebale hay. Why would anybody rebale hay? Well, there's two common reasons why people do, and the first is because of challenging weather patterns. Have you ever been rained out of the field? And secondly is because of labor constraints, just not being able to get the right guys for the right price to put up small square bales in the field. And another reason why people rebale hay is because often you can buy good quality hay in round bales, and when you rebale it into several small square bales using your Hustler chainless rebaler, most people can double and sometimes triple the value of their hay. Make sense? Let's get started. Today, we're set up outdoors with a tractor, just needs to be big enough to run your small square baler, the Hustler chainless rebaler, along with the Easier remote valve kit and the side chute. These machines are awesome for rebaling because they provide good fluffy hay in a nice consistent flow into your baler without damaging the quality of the hay. Then of course you need your baler. Doesn't really matter which one it is, it just needs to handle a high volume of hay. Then we're going to send it up into the Norden AE15 bale accumulator. These machines are awesome because they're fully mechanical, so no electronics to go wrong. Then we're going to pick up all 15 bales with the Norden KN615 tie grabber without you manually handling a single bale. Many of our clients will actually set this whole process up indoors and run it like a factory, producing hundreds of small square bales per hour. As you can see, the setup is very simple and it includes basic machinery that you may already have. So if you're finding the weather patterns challenging for putting up square bales in the field, or if you just can't find good help, or if you got the opportunity to buy good quality hay in round bales and turn it into small square bales, doubling or tripling the value of that hay, then this setup is for you. You can find more about rebaling at hustlerequipment.com. In our next video, we'll be going over best practices on how to use your Hustler chainless rebaler.